Go High Level has a full suite of AI tools built in, but 3 of those tools entirely depend on the AI prompts that you write. If you do not understand how AI prompting works, your results will be frustrating and inconsistent. So in this video, I'm going to break down all 3 of these builder AI tools inside of Go High Level, showing you the mechanics of how these builders interpret your prompts and what makes the difference between a prompt that delivers and one that falls flat. So the first thing you need to understand is, what is an AI prompt? We're just going to get right into it. I don't want to waste any of your time. So this is the example of an AI prompt. It's a bunch of text with some placeholders like that. This is also an example of a prompt. It is essentially a bunch of text that's already built, and all you have to do is fill in a couple things and it will build assets for you. So let me show you what this looks like. So this is what happens when you just type into an AI builder. I just said, build a website for my web design business. It's totally random. Neon Studio has nothing to do with anything, and it's fine. No SEO, not really anything. Now, this is the example of a website where we actually used an AI prompt. Look how much better it is, okay? It looks cleaner, it looks better. It actually has SEO in there, it has reviews, and it has way more pages. And that is the difference between not using a prompt and using a prompt. The results are way better. Okay, so again, an AI prompt, to make this very clear, is this. It is a bunch of text that you just fill out a couple things and then you put it into one of these AI builders and it builds for you. This is the future of all these high-level tools, guys. This is where everything is going, and you have to learn how to prompt. If you don't know how to learn how to prompt, you're just gonna be confused and none of this is gonna work. So in this video, okay, because you now understand what prompting is, in this video, I want to show you how to build these prompts, how to use them, but most importantly, how to improve them so you can actually have AI work the way you want it. Because if you don't have AI working the way you want it, you're gonna be screwed. And at any point during this video at all, if you have any questions on any of this at all, drop a comment down below and I will personally send you either the tutorial or answer exactly what your question is. Now that you understand what an AI prompt is, which is this, okay, I now want to show you, okay, the 3 different builders inside of Go High Level, what they are, and then how to build these prompts for yourself. So there's 3 different builders. Number 1, we have the Ask AI builder, which can build you a lot of AI chatbots and stuff like that. Okay, we then have AI Studio, which is more of a builder agent building apps and websites. And then you have the AI super agents, which is this right here under AI Studio, super agents, which is building like a conversation chatbot mixed with Ask AI. Those are kind of the different kinds of builders. So there's those 3 in high level, and these are where you plug in your prompts. So if we come right in here, this is where we would put in our prompts. So if we wanted to, let's say, build out either an AI chatbot or an entire business, we would copy this entire thing right here. Okay, come right into this builder, paste this, and then just fill out the agent name, the business name, blah, 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 and all this stuff. And then it's going to build it for us, as opposed to us going in, okay, and having to type in all this stuff in here. You see the difference? One is quickly building it. The other is having to go through a bunch of stuff. So again, you have to understand what the AI prompt is, which you already understood, and then the multiple different kinds of builders within high level. And again, these 3 different builders I show you have different functions. So the chat agent, which is really Ask AI, that's building out either assets or AI chatbots or voice agents for your business. Super agents, on the other hand, that's what I showed you earlier, is task agents. So this is like, hey, can you onboard this client and can you put them in a pipeline? Very much a super agent. Now, website app building agents is the Vibe Studio. Okay, that's where you vibe code apps or websites. So this is really important because AI prompting works in tandem, okay, together with these agents. Some people I see are trying to build websites with the chat agent and the results suck. That's why, because they're different builders. So again, you have 3 different builders, 3, and the prompts go into each of these in different ways. Again, if you have questions, guys, or you're confused, drop a comment down below, please. I want this to be an interactive learning experience. So now that you understand what a prompt is and you understand the different builders, let's go into making your own prompts and testing so we actually understand what is going on, so you have this process in you. So I now want to show you the 2 different ways that we really build prompts, okay? And as you see here, the results when you have a prompt just like this and you plug it all in versus when you don't are drastic. Like, you got to be using prompts. Again, guys, I'm going to be giving away a lot of my prompts for free in this video. We'll go over that in a sec. But like, you got to learn how to prompt. It's going to make everything easier for you, and it's just amazing. So in high level, with the 3 builders, there really is 2 different ways we can essentially build prompts. So number 1, the first thing is you come into a builder and you can say something like this. Write a prompt prompt I can enter into AI Studio, and you're going to be putting this in Ask AI. You can technically use ChatGPT to build these too, guys, so don't worry. But you're going to ask the AI to build an AI prompt. So I could say, write a prompt. I can enter in AI Studio to build a super professional website for my web design agency. It should include design context, function, features, copy, and a layout. Ask me for more information. So once I enter this in, it's then going to plug in these things. It's then going to ask me these questions. I'm going to plug in exactly what is Declan's design, blah, 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 blah. And then right here, it's going to then give me an entire prompt. See this? This is the exact prompt I used to build out this website. You see what I'm saying? It will give you the AI prompt, and then you have these forever, and then all you have to do is copy and fill out a couple different things like business name, and now you have that prompt forever so you can keep building websites. So that is the first way to build an AI prompt. You either come to Ask AI or ChatGPT or Claude, and you ask it, can you build me a prompt? You ask it to build you a prompt. Now, this is good if you're starting from scratch, but I'm going to show you a little hack inside a high level that's even better. So we're going to come to Ask AI, and we can actually build prompts based on other features inside a high level. So if we want to build an AI voice agent, for example, okay, or really, I mean, you can do this for anything, by the way, websites, you name it. What most people do is they would come into Ask AI and they say, hey, build me a blah, 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 an AI agent, blah, blah, blah. But what we could do is we could say, we could copy Maria, the self-selling agent. We could come back to Ask AI, and what we can say is, please build me an AI agent prompt based on copy paste self-selling Maria. I want all the exact same setting. Because if we come back here and we click Maria self-selling, okay, you're going to see there's all these settings. Okay, if we come over here, there's things that are like perfectly fine-tuned, like maximum call time, end silence after 15 seconds. There's all these settings that are already fine-tuned. We don't really want to go through and try to recreate them from scratch. So we can just say, please build me an AI agent prompt based on self-selling Maria. I want the exact same settings. I want a prompt I can use, and it will build me this AI agent whenever I want with exact same settings. And then you click enter, and what AI is going to do, it's going to build you a prompt based on this exact agent so you can build it again and again and again. Okay, boom, it says found itself selling Maria's voice agent, blah, blah, blah. Look at this. All the exact settings. I mean, look at this. Voice temperature, 0.15. I mean, it's got everything dialed in. And now, if we come all the way down here, we have this entire prompt where I can copy and paste this entire thing, switch a couple things, open up a new chat, copy and paste in here, and then create Maria again and again, or give it to other people. This makes onboarding way faster because now you can just continuously build the same thing without having to do all the work of going in and manually tweaking stuff and playing with things. You don't have to do that. You can just come in, use it, and you're done. Do you see how simple this is, guys? And again, if you didn't know, this is what happens when you just talk to AI, build a website for a website design agency. You get stuff like this versus using a prompt. You get something much better, much cleaner, SEO optimized, built to convert, and all these things you need. Prompting is the future. Okay, again, AI needs details to build better. If some of you guys are frustrated at what AI is building for you and you're like, why is it doing that? Is most of the time your prompting just isn't good enough. Now, sometimes AI tweaks, I understand that, but a lot of the time, AI actually is really good. It's just only as good as you make it. And the way to make it really good is by using prompts. So whatever you do, start building these prompts out and using them for this to properly work. Now, I'm going to do a quick recap so you understand. This is what a prompt is. It is text that goes into one of these builders and it builds things on repeat. That's essentially what it is. Now, there's two different ways to build this. Number one, you can talk to AI and say something like this, write me a prompt, so you can have AI build it from scratch, or you can come right in here and you can have it build a prompt based on an existing asset, or have it build on an existing asset inside of the GoHighLevel ecosystem. So those are your two options for building prompts. You do either one, but I recommend you keep a bunch of prompts on hand because they will make your life way easier. Now, I actually have something for you in my private community, and I'm going to give these to you for free. But if you come into the learning tab and come to AI prompts, I have a ton of different AI prompts right in here, and they're all free when you're in my free community. Look at this. And we have everything. We have the whole business AI generator prompt, all this stuff, and it's already all built out because building prompts is actually a pain in the ass, okay? Because you build it and then you have to tweak it and test it because all these prompts I've built, guys, these are all tested and done. They work. Okay, they're amazing. So you can go in, you can tweak these, and you can absolutely use all of these for free, even e-commerce ones. And again, you just plug and play. You just fill out the placeholders, you copy and paste this entire thing, put it into whatever builder you want, and then you get the asset like that. So if you wanted to build a really nice e-commerce website, instead of you setting it up over here and setting up products and doing this and doing that, you take the prompts, you copy and paste, and you're good to go. See how easy that is? Like, it's much easier. And guys, again, all of these AI prompts I have right under here, plus all of the snapshot sales scripts, everything in my community, even all of my live calls, even ones with me, you get all for free when you go and sign up with that 30-day free trial right down below or upgrade under me. It's all free. I give you everything. You take it. It's yours. Again, all you have to do to get access to any of this is go right down below, click the 30-day free trial link or upgrade under me, or there's another link if you're already fully, all set up and you're done. And you can message me whenever you want in this upper right-hand corner in the community. And again, guys, we have amazing calls with amazing coaches that you get to access for free, whether you're advanced or not. All of this is down below. No one gives away what I give away. And I'm not saying this to brag. I'm saying this because everyone else gives you some outdated courses and that's it. We give you courses, handholding, calls, unlimited one-on-one messaging. I mean, literally everything. We even have 30-day free challenges with awards we give out. And if you come to the community and you check this out, no one has the amount of wins we have. So many people are getting clients. Again, I'm not promising this to you, but I believe that because of our help, we have students that actually win more than anyone else. Also, we really go in depth on the whole prompting thing because it is the future. AI is moving really quickly. You got to get ahead and you got to get in the right community. And this right here, this is it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If this interests you, go right down below, sign up with that 30-day free trial or upgrade. If you have any questions, drop in the comments down below. But more importantly, I'm going to link a video playlist that's going to be all the different AI features like the Vibe Coder, Ask AI, AI super agents. And that's just going to be a whole playlist that you can start watching. And I actually recommend you do that. And that's going to pop up in a couple seconds. So again, thank you guys for watching and make sure you watch this playlist because it could change everything for you. So again, thank you guys and watch the video that pops up right now.